Put these ingredients in your shampoo, and you will see how it not only accelerates hair growth, but also works wonders in treating baldness. Many people spend a lot of money on expensive treatments, but sometimes the most powerful solutions come straight from our kitchen. Today, I will show you 2 amazing recipes that can completely transform your hair care routine. First recipe. For the very first recipe, we will start with something simple yet extremely effective. We need rice for this preparation. Take about 2 tablespoons of rice. Rice has been used for centuries in traditional beauty remedies. It is well known for improving damaged hair and treating hair loss naturally. The starch in rice coats the hair strands, making them stronger and thicker. Next, we need fenugreek seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. These tiny seeds may look simple, but they are packed with nutrients. Fenugreek is rich in proteins and nicotinic acid, which not only encourage hair growth but also strengthen the roots from within. It also supports a healthy scalp by reducing dandruff and dryness. Now let's move to the first step. Wash the rice and fenugreek seeds thoroughly with clean water to remove any impurities or dust. Once washed, you'll already notice that rice starts releasing its milky texture, which is very beneficial. Rice, as you know, makes hair thick and is especially effective in treating baldness naturally without chemicals. Now, add a cup of water to the washed rice and fenugreek. Soak them in this water for at least 8 hours. If you have time, you can even leave it overnight. This soaking process allows the nutrients to release into the water. Leaving it in water also helps it ferment, and fermented water has powerful benefits for hair growth, making it an excellent natural conditioner. The second step. Now let's move to the second step of this recipe. We need an onion. Onions are one of the best natural remedies for hair. Start by peeling the onion carefully. Onion juice thickens the hair, adds shine, and treats hair loss. It also nourishes the scalp deeply. Now grate the onion using a grater. As you grate, you'll see the juice coming out. Onions are packed with sulfur compounds that stimulate blood circulation in the scalp. This increased circulation helps new hair follicles grow stronger and faster. Onion juice also helps reduce scalp inflammation, which is often one of the hidden reasons behind hair thinning. Once you finish grating, filter the mixture and extract the onion juice. Now we are going to add one more ingredient to this juice. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee. You can simply use instant coffee for convenience. Coffee is an amazing ingredient that prevents hair loss, stimulates hair follicles, and also fights baldness by energizing the scalp. The third step. Now we will bring everything together. First, filter the fermented rice and fenugreek water. This liquid is now packed with nutrients. To this water, add the onion juice and coffee mixture we prepared. Mix it really well so everything blends into a powerful solution. Next, take half a cup of shampoo. It's better to use a mild, sulfate-free shampoo. Add the prepared mixture into the shampoo and stir well until it is evenly combined. Your homemade magical shampoo is now ready. Use this shampoo while showering, just as you would use your regular shampoo. Massage it gently into your scalp, and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing. This magical shampoo stops hair loss from the very first use. With consistent use, you'll notice your hair getting thicker, shinier, and stronger. The best part is that you can prepare a bigger batch and store this shampoo for a longer time without any problem. Second recipe. Now let's move to the second recipe, which is equally effective and perfect for people who prefer gel-based remedies. We need aloe vera for this. Take out a fresh aloe vera leaf, wash it well, and then peel it carefully. Aloe vera is slippery, so make sure you handle it with care. Once peeled, extract the aloe vera pulp from inside. This pulp is a powerhouse of hydration for your hair. Next, grind the pulp to get a consistent gel-like texture. Once ground, filter the aloe vera gel so that we remove any lumps or fibers. If you don't have aloe vera at home, you can also use flaxseed gel as a substitute. It works wonderfully too. Now let's add castor oil. Add about 1 tablespoon of castor oil to the aloe vera gel. Castor oil is one of the best oils for hair growth. It stimulates the scalp, strengthens the roots, and treats hair loss effectively. Next, add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee to the mixture. Coffee, once again, plays its role in boosting hair growth and preventing hair fall. Mix it all together really well until you get a smooth blend. Finally, add a small cup of shampoo to this mixture. Again, mix it thoroughly until everything combines well. Now your second magical shampoo is ready to use. Wash your hair with this shampoo when you shower. For best results, use this shampoo twice a week. You will notice visible improvement right from the first week of use. With every wash, this shampoo will reduce hair loss and make your hair healthier, shinier, and fuller. So these were 2 simple yet highly effective recipes to turn your regular shampoo into a powerful hair treatment. Try either of these depending on what ingredients you have available at home. Both are natural, safe, and give amazing results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips.